Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to close off the year and set a closing date in QuickBooks Online. This process is essential for protecting your financial data and making sure your new fiscal year starts with accurate records. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, click on the settings icon at the top right and select Account and Settings. Next, go to the Advanced tab. Here, you'll find detailed options including the feature called Close the Books. Enable the Close the Books option. This allows you to set a specific closing date, which prevents accidental or unauthorized changes after the year has ended. Now, choose the closing date that matches your fiscal year end. This step is critical for keeping your reports accurate and maintaining the integrity of your financial statements. Finally, click Save and Done to apply the changes. Your year end is now closed and your financial data is protected. If you need extra guidance, QuickBooks also provides support resources that can help you through the process. And that's how you close off the year and set a closing date in QuickBooks Online.